Okay, another Redshift question in case you haven't quite got it yet. I've just put the mark scheme in here, so I'll rattle through these quite quickly. The Big Bang Theory uses redshift as evidence to explain the beginning of the universe. How does the redshift from distant galaxies provide evidence for the beginning of the universe? There's 3 marks. Choose from these. So, redshift shows galaxies are moving away. More distant galaxies show bigger redshift, or more distant galaxies show an increasing wavelength. Increasing wavelength and redshift are the same thing. More distant galaxies are moving away faster, and that suggests a single point of origin. Now, this is the mark you'll miss for your 3 marks. It's easy to remember redshift, moving away, more redshift, moving away faster. But then don't forget this point, make a summary that suggests that there's a single point of origin, hence Big Bang. This idea of cosmic microwave background radiation, CMBR, type of electromagnetic radiation, CMBR, fills the universe. It was first discovered in 1965 by 2 astronomers called Penzias and Wilson. What do scientists believe is the origin of CMBR? They believe the origin is the Big Bang. Okay. And B, which is down here, why was the discovery of cosmic microwave background radiation so important to the scientists believing the Big Bang theory to be correct? Because it can only be explained by Big Bang. So you don't get lots of CMBR if you don't have an original huge explosion. It predicts the existence, or existence is predicted by the Big Bang. So the Big Bang suggests that there should be some kind of... Imagine a bomb going off and it's really white hot at the start, and then it cools down, cools down, cools down. As it cools down, it gets to longer wavelengths, and effectively, CMBR is the cooling down of the universe. And it provides further evidence for the Big Bang, and I'll ignore... If you write just proves Big Bang, it's never going to be right, and I'll ignore any reference to redshift, because this isn't a redshift one. This is to do with cosmic microwave background radiation, which is a different bit of evidence for the Big Bang. And last bit of this question, how is the wavelength of cosmic microwave background radiation likely to change, if at all, over the next billion years? It's likely to increase. So it's likely to go further and further in the microwave and further to longer wavelengths. Okay, and give a reason for your answer. It's because the universe continues to expand outwards or accelerate outwards. So that's what you want for that one. So have a look back at that. I've gone quite quickly. I'll pause. I'll leave it on there, or you can pause and just have a look at these answers about Big Bang Theory.